Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the pack of 5 recycled line arrows from 4th Element. So these are a joint partnership between 4th Element and Waterhaul, and these are line markers or line arrows which are made from recycled PPE, so old face masks that have been taken from a local hospital, cleaned thoroughly obviously, and then upcycled into line markers. They're pretty traditional line markers. I mean, in this case it's a line arrow, so it's always pointing towards the exit. You attach it onto a line. It's a very traditional design. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how they arrive in a nice paper bag, very minimalist and very eco-friendly. Rip that open, and on the inside you get your line markers. You also get just some information about the partnering with Waterhaul, retask the mask, and this is the way. So yes, these are the line markers themselves. Pretty traditional line markers, you can't go far wrong. They've got a tiny little sort of embossed 4th Element logo, which is nice, made from recycled PPE, and then the little Waterhaul logo, and that's it. So, but yeah, otherwise feels just like any other line arrow. And that's the 4th Element recycled line marker. Yeah. Very useful. There's no reason why you shouldn't need a line arrow to be made out of virgin plastics. If you can use recycled material, especially PPE and face masks, because so many of those are ending up in our waterways, then yeah, if you're in the market for line arrows, yeah, there's no reason why you shouldn't go for these. Check them out. There's going to be a link down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.